You can buy the same phone almost anywhere in the world, but take that same charger from America to Europe, Britain, or Australia. And suddenly, it may not fit the wall. Different countries use completely different plugs. Some have 2 pins, some have 3, some are round, some are flat. So how did the world end up with so many different power outlets? The strange part is nobody planned this. When electricity first started spreading into homes, there was no single global standard. Countries were building their electrical systems separately. They used different voltages, different equipment, and different engineering solutions. And once millions of homes had been wired, those local designs became standards. By then, changing everything was no longer simple. You can see the difference clearly between North America and Europe. In the United States and Canada, Type A uses 2 flat pins, while Type B adds a grounding pin. Across much of continental Europe, round pins became common instead. And the difference isn't only the shape. North American homes generally use around 120 volts, while much of Europe uses around 230 volts. So a travel adapter may make the plug fit, but it doesn't automatically change the voltage. And then there's Britain. The British Type G plug looks huge compared with an American or European plug. It uses 3 rectangular pins. The plug contains a fuse, and British sockets use protective shutters over the live contacts. So yes, it's bulky, but that size comes with several built-in safety features. And the world gets even more interesting. Australia and New Zealand commonly use Type 1. India uses systems including Type D. Switzerland has Type J. Italy has Type L. Israel uses Type H, Brazil uses Type N, and Thailand introduced Type O. Some countries even use several plug types at the same time. No wonder travel adapters exist. So why don't countries just choose one plug and replace everything? Because everything is the problem. Think about every house, apartment, hotel, office, factory, lamp, television, charger, and extension cord already built for the existing system. Changing the plug standard would mean changing an enormous amount of infrastructure. And if the current system already works, replacing all of it is extremely difficult and expensive. That's why old electrical standards can survive for generations. So the reason different countries use different power outlets is actually quite simple. Electricity developed before the world had one common standard. Different countries chose different solutions. Those solutions became part of millions of homes and appliances. And once that happened, changing them became much harder than simply designing a better plug. The differences we see today are basically electrical history, still sitting in our walls. But if the world could start again today, which power outlet should everyone use? American, European, British, or something completely different? Let me know what you think in the comments and subscribe for more videos like this.